Namaste. Today let us find out goodwill using super profit method of goodwill valuation. Then the question comes, what is super profit? Super profit is the difference between the average profit earned by the business and the normal profit. Then what is normal profit? Normal profit is nothing but the normal rate of return earned by the firms in the same line of business or same kind of industries. Other business are there, no? If what rate of return they are earning, and the business or the business which we study, that profit, we are comparing the profit earned by the business and the normal profit earned by the other businesses which are of similar industry. Both we are comparing. If the business earning or profit is more than the normal rate of normal profit or excess earnings, then we get a super profit. If excess is not there, then there will not be any goodwill. Okay, like that we have to compare the earnings or the profit of the business and the normal profit earned by this similar kind of business. We have to see, we have to compare both. If the company's profit is more than the normal profit, then there will be uh, uh, goodwill to that extent, excess to that extent. Sorry. So that is how we find out the goodwill under super profit method. Now here are some steps. Let us see. The following steps should be carefully followed. First, what we have to do? We have to ascertain the amount of capital employed or average capital employed. What is the total capital employed by the business? We need to find out. We need to understand. We must know what is the capital employed. ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್, ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ನೋ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಲಯಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಸರ್ಟೈನ್ ದಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಇದೇ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ವ, ಆ ಯಾವ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಸೂಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಥರದ ನೇಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಥದ್ದೇ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. Firms is actual profit, and we have to find out. Then finally we have to find the difference between the normal profit and the firm's actual profit. If firm's actual profit is excess, then there will be super profit. If there is no excess, then there will not be any super profit. Now let us here solve one problem to understand this concept. Let us take. Then this years of purchase and all, see there the problem is here. So the problem is given here. So the problem goes like this. The following particulars are available in respect of the business carried on by Mr. R.N. Mitra. R.N. Mitra's business, it is R.N. Mitra. So what capital he invested? He invested rupees 50,000. He invested rupees 50,000. Then trading results of 4 years are given. In 2006, profit made to the extent of 12,200. 12,200 is the profit. And 2007 also profit made, it is 15,000. And 2008 loss suffered. So it is 2,000. 2009 profit made, it is 21,000. These are the profit of here Mr. R.N. Mitra's business. Okay. Now let us see further. Market rate of interest on investment is existing market rate is 8%. Risk here rate of risk return on capital invested. Capital invest ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ risk extra risk burden ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ extra 2% interest ಇರ್ತದೆ. Then remuneration from Alternative employment of the proprietor, employment of the proprietor, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3600 per annum ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಹ ನೋಡಿ, 3600 per annum. Yes, then we need to compute the value of goodwill of the business on the basis of 3 years purchase of super average of last 4 years. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ನಾವೇನು ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದಲ್ವ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 years ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 3 years ಅಂದರೆ 3ಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಂದಂಥ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲಿಗೆ 3 years 3ಯಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ goodwill of the business ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Now let us solve this problem. Okay, write solution there. We'll solve this problem. Yes, write solution right there. So first we need to find out average profit of this 4 years. Average profit ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಂಟು 4 yearsಗೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು 12,200 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 15,000 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 2,000, ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಲಾಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಾಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 21,000. ಇದನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ. ಎವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Average profit will find out average profit. Then yes, it is because 4 years are 2006, 7, 8, 9. These are the 4 years. Divided by 4 have to do. So 12,000, 15,000 minus 2,000 there, because here in 2008 loss is there, 2009 profit to the extent of 21,000. So average profit ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎವರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 4 years ಉಂಟಲ್ವ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4. So 12,000 plus 15,000, so it is 27,000 minus 2,000 comes to 25,000 plus 21,000, 46,000 divided by 4, it comes to 11,550, right? So now what we have to do? Remuneration is there, no? That you deduct. Less remuneration will do. Less remuneration, proprietor's remuneration, how much it is? 3,600 given in the problem. So if you deduct remuneration, so what here result you are going to get is 11,550 minus 3,600 is 7,950. Then we have to find out normal rate of here capital employed. Here it is given here the point number 3 and 4. Market rate of return on investment is 8% and rate of risk is 2%. Both we have to take. 8% plus 2% is 10%. So that is normal rate of return that we need to take. Okay, so normal rate of return we have to take right there. Less normal rate of return of capital employed is 8% plus 2% comes to 10%. On capital employed is 50,000. On that if you calculate 50%, sorry 10% or 50,000 if you calculate, it comes to 5,000. So 5,000 is the normal profit. So then 7,900 minus 5,000 comes to, so this is actual profit of the business and this is normal profit. Yes, compare. This is actual profit of the business. This is normal profit. So the difference is positive only, obviously. Means the average profit is or actual profit is more than the normal profit. So obviously you can say that there is a super profit to the extent of 2,950. This let us call it as a super profit. Super profit is how much? 2,950. Let us here color with the green. Okay, 2,950. Now we have to value the goodwill. We have to value the goodwill. You have to consider 3 years purchase of super profit. So right, therefore value of goodwill is 3 years purchase of super profit. Right there. Here, yes. Then goodwill equal to how much? Goodwill equal to, it is 2,950 into 3. It comes to 8,850. Like this you have to find out the goodwill. Okay. Like this we need to find out the goodwill. This is goodwill what we have to find out. Okay, like this we have to find out the goodwill. Okay, I hope you could follow me. See, if you don't understand here. So you can refer very often. So you can refer and you can try your level best. Okay, you can. Thank you. So in the next class we'll see other methods. Okay. Yes. Okay, we'll see.